Yes, digital product family, hope you guys are well. Guys, I did a very quick video on how to open a Midjourney account. I'm going to show it to you in a second. But as usual, if you do love digital products, you love researching, listing, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget to share because that's what we do. Yeah, I did this video like when did I do it? A few weeks ago. Yeah, but I thought I'd share it now on YouTube because I know a lot of people are asking me about it. So yeah, check it out now. So imagine you type in Midjourney into the search bar on Google. So I'm gonna click Midjourney. All right, click Midjourney, and then it shows you this, right? And you know, like just a few bits about it. Let's just have a look. Is where is it? Okay, so you can go to you can see the showcase, which shows you what kind of stuff they got, but you can just go to sign in, right? Let's say sign in. Register first. First of all, you need to register, right? Okay, so I'm just signing in, just create an account so you can see the process. So then you just click authorize. And then you're literally in, right? You're literally in. And then what it does is it's actually going to ask you, see, these are the subscriptions, right? You know, 8, 24 and 48, right? It really is fantastic. I mean, what I suggest is you could try out first of all the basic plan, and obviously, you know, you can go up and if you need to maybe create more things, you can. The better. This is the yearly billing actually. That's how much it works out. But monthly, if you're going on a monthly, the basic plan is $10, standard is 30, pro plan is 60. And the mega plan is 120. So then what I do was you just click community on the bottom. Once you click community at the bottom, then just to get started, right? Just to get started, you don't even need to go to any of these subscriptions yet, but you probably would need to do that at some point. So you go to click community, and then this will come up, right? And it says you've been invited to join Midjourney. How many people are online? That's mad. Accept the invite, right? So it's gonna open the Discord for you, and then it's gonna open up the Discord for you, right? So have a little quick look at it. It says you must verify your account before you can send any messages in the server. So what you'll do is you'll need to go and verify your account, the email that you put in. So just check that first. So once you've verified it with your email address, then obviously you're in Midjourney, right? So it actually goes through. It actually helps you to, you know, tells you what you need to do. You can see that you've got your Discord. So it says, hey, we're excited to have you, early tester. Join BT. Type imagine whenever you want. The bot will send you 4 images in 40 seconds. Trial support. Blah blah blah. So you have a trial basically. So it says once your trial has ended, you could become a paid member. Okay. So if you go to the left, you need to create your own server. This is where you create your own server. That way you can actually do your designs by yourself without a lot of people around you, because there are places where there's just lots of rooms with people around. But I suggest create your own server. So click the plus sign, click got it. Click the plus sign and go to create my own for me and my friends. BT server, just leave that. Create, just say create. And then what you need to do. Okay, so from here, what you need to do is you need to go to Midjourney. Click on the left on the Midjourney. And just click on one of these, any of these newcomer rooms, newcomer rooms. Now, if these don't come up here on the side, then just click members list here, because sometimes it doesn't come up. So When it comes up, just click the Midjourney bot, which is there, and then just click add app. All right, add app. There you go. Add app, and then what you need to say is select the server, your server, because you're creating your own server now, and click continue. And then what you need to do is go down and say authorize, and then literally it says, are you human? Say, yeah, I'm human, man. Please click each image contain a microwave. There's one, there's two, verify, and then go to BT server, click there, success. And literally once you're in your BT server, okay, so now that we're in, what we do forwards, got it, /, and then we do imagine. Yes, because the whole thing about this is now it's given us our own server. Now we can start designing our own thing. And if you saw in that last video, let me show you very quickly what I did. I said smiling, friendly Santa clipper with, do you remember I did that? With flowers and Christmas presents. Christmas presents. Boom. There you go. To not accept, you must accept. Oh, terms and conditions. Yeah, click terms and conditions. Accepted. You've been invited to join the server. And then due to extreme demand, we can't provide a free trial right now. Damn. So you do need to subscribe, right? So what you do need to do is you just need to go back and just subscribe. Once you click subscribe and you pay for the subscription, then literally you're in. And then when I'm saying in, it's literally as you've seen it in my other one, which means that you'll be in, just like I am here. Yep, and then literally once you've subscribed, then you're back on your server, literally as I am on my server right now. It's a shame they didn't do a free trial though. They did it my time. But yeah, and then I showed you, as you know, I've showed you how to do the prompt, where you actually create a prompt like I did there. Quick demo there, right? Could do it again if I just copy that prompt again, and I just go / imagine. I could just paste that prompt again. It's going to give me a different style, look. So I click that, click enter. So once you subscribe, just do that. And then it's going to create for you the 4 ideas like I showed you in the last video. What did I show you in this one? Right? And that's it. And so what you want to do is, like I said, we start creating our assets in Midjourney using your own Discord. And then so what we do is, this is the part that, you know, you look and see what it is that you want to create. So obviously, if it's going to be like we looked at examples for the pet portrait, the pet watercolor images, we can look at this. Look at these. These are fabulous, aren't they? Look at these. What's beautiful about Midjourney as well is, you know, see, this is, let me just explain something quickly. You can upscale, that means make bigger, any of these 4. And this is upscale U1, that means this is the first, upscale 1, upscale 2, upscale 3, upscale 4. So you upscale one of these, or you can choose one of these and you want different versions. So you might say, I want 4 versions of this, version 1, 4 version of version 2, a few versions of version 3, and version 4, right? Fabulous. So that'll be one thing. Now, don't forget, you might want to do like I said, depending on what you want to create. You want to create like this is like a bundle. I mean, this is 670 dogs. So you might want to create a bundle of dogs. So you need to just look and see what it is that works and what you need to do. So, you know, you might want to go back to your Discord, and then you start creating your assets, like in terms of the designs that you want to do. Obviously, you know, create the bundles that you need, because I think that's very important. And then also you need to create your video. So I might go ahead and I'm gonna in a second I'm gonna start doing creating a few bits. But what I want to do is, obviously, I might do something to do with just the pets, just to keep this simple, keep it going. but I'll do like a bundle of these pets, and then I might just look at some keywords that I might use, which could help me, that I know I'm going to help me rank when I come to do my listing. So this is the bit where you start creating your things once you're happy with it, right? So in this case, let's say, so actually this is the bit where once you've created your account, so once you created your account and you've played around with it and you practiced it, like I just showed you, to get some ideas. So then you can actually start creating your assets, your designs first. So what you need to do is you need to do a couple of things first with Midjourney. You need to create your designs that you want to actually sell. So let's say if it's pets, you're going to have to create all these, the bundle, if it's a bundle, or if it's not a bundle, but just create the designs first that you're going to be selling. And then you're going to have to create also the listing images. So you're going to have to create your images, get these images, put them all together using CANVA, and a video also using CANVA, so you can get it up and ready with some relevant information that you might want to put as well. So we're going to do that in the next video. We're going to start creating some images using Midjourney, do a few images just to show you how it works, and then also create some of these maybe listing images. I might do 1 or 2 for you just to get you, just to show you what it's like, and then we can use it also for when we upload for the new store, so that you can see also how it's going to be. Okay, so I'll see you on the next video.